Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this transition that you see on the screen, and there will also be a free preset in the description below. Start out with a cross dissolve. Right click on it, convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Then you'll have a fusion icon up here. Click on it, it'll take you to Fusion. Bring your media in 2, down below the media in 1, and delete the cross dissolve. And select the media in 1, get a transform. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Now go to center, right click, modify with, XY path. Go to the modifier, right click on the X, remove XY path. Then right click on the Y, remove XY path. Then right click on the X, modify with, anim curves. Go to the curve, change it to easing, and sine, and sine. Change the offset to 0.5. And with the transform still selected, shift space and drop shadow. And shift space and duplicate. And change the copies to 4. And then right click on the center. Modify with, XY path. Back to the modifier. Again, right click on the X and remove XY path. Same thing on the Y. And then right click on the X, modify with, anim curves. And change the offset to 0.5. And then go to the drop shadow, change the drop angle to 130. And now you should see the drop shadow on there. Select the media in 2, get a transform, merge it into the duplicate, and select the transform. Right click on center, modify with, XY path. Go to the modifier, right click on the X, remove XY path. Same thing on the Y, and then right click on the X, modify with, anim curves. Change the curve to easing, and sine, and sine. On the offset, go minus 0.5. Shift space and drop shadow. And shift space and duplicate. Put 4 copies in there. And then right click on the center. Modify with, XY path. Go to the modifier. Right click on the X. Remove XY path. Same thing on the Y. And then right click on the X. Modify with, anim curves. Then go to the offset and go minus 0.5. And if you scrub your playhead, you should have what I have. All right, we're going to connect a couple things together. Select duplicate 1. Make sure you're on tools and pin it. Select duplicate 2. Again, make sure you're on tools and pin it. Right click on copies, expression, and grab the pick whip from the plus sign, bring it down to the copies on duplicate 1 and let go. I went that direction because I want the duplicate 1 to use on the controls in the macro. Unpin them and select transform 1. This time go to the modifier and pin it and select transform 2 and pin it. On transform 2, right click on the curve, expression, and then right click on the in expression, and same thing with this one. And then we'll grab the pick whip, take it up to the matching value on transform 1 and let go. Unpin them. And select transform 2 just to make sure we got it right. Okay, we're going to make the macro now. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down and select these in the order that I do. Make sure you don't include any of the medias. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro, create macro, give it a name, and follow along. This one, put outgoing for the shadow strength. And put incoming in front of shadow strength on this one. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Transitions. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. We'll go find it. There it is. If you click on it, you'll see all your options. You can change the number of copies. You ease in. I recommend make these both the same, the ease in and ease out, or it won't work correctly. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.